Hey guys, Tim with Kitchen and Craft here. And if this is your first time on my channel, maybe you're looking to hone your skills in the kitchen, maybe you're looking for some new recipe ideas, or maybe to learn some new techniques, I would highly encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can stay on top of all of my new content. I typically upload once a week or so, and it'd be great if you could join the community. Okay, this is a new series on my channel. It's called On the Fly. I'll show you a tip, trick, or quick recipe all in under 2 minutes. That way you can get in and get out. You know, go watch one of those other famous YouTube channels like Sam the Cooking Guy or Babish or Not Another Cooking Show. Steven, you're blowing up, man. Congratulations. I'm just a little bit jealous, but I'm happy for you nonetheless. You still never returned my email though. A little disappointed about that. Anyways, getting off subject here. The topic of this week's episode is Shishito Peppers. These little guys are mild 90% of the time. Super flavorful and mild. But every so often, you get a scorcher. It's kind of like playing Russian Roulette with a Scoville heat scale. Maybe that's not your type of thing, I don't know. But they're delicious and they're worth it, so hopefully you'll tag along. Let's get going. We need a countdown timer. Let's get that on the board here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, for the first step, we're gonna doctor up this sweet soy glaze just a little bit by adding some brown sugar, a little bit of warm water, and then we're gonna give it a quick stir. Next, place a saute pan over medium-high heat, and then add a little neutral flavored oil. I'm using sunflower seed oil here. Once that oil is ripping hot but not smoking, add your Shishito peppers. Now the peppers don't need that much time in the pan, really only a minute or two. You're just looking for them to blister a bit, and then they're done. Take that doctored up soy glaze that you made earlier and drizzle it all over the Shishito peppers. Then after that, you're gonna follow with a drizzle of sesame seed oil. Now, don't use this oil to try to saute the peppers in because it has a very low smoke point and you'll end up burning the oil. To complement the flavor of the sesame seed oil, you're gonna sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds all over the peppers and on the dish. They'll also sort of serve as a garnish as well. Finish the dish off with some flaky Maldon Sea Salt and you're off to the races.